And happy Friday, everybody. A beautiful look there at our Grand Forks Home of Economy Skycam. Seeing some colors there now. The sun is just about to set. Some clouds and some clear sky up there in the Northern Valley, which is where I do expect the clouds to mainly stay for this evening. Now, let's talk about Friday. This is our first alert weather day. We raised this today to give you 1 week's notice that the potential is there for some wintry impacts here across the valley as we head toward the latter part of next week. So starting off on Wednesday, do have the chance of some rainfall, maybe mixing with some snowfall on Wednesday. And then into Thursday, that is expected to likely switch over to some snow. You can see strong north wind with that system there on Thursday. And the latest update with this particular model, this is the American model, shows the track of this is actually now further east than it was about 3 hours ago. So we are still seeing some of that that uncertainty with the track of this system. But as we go into Friday, that's our first alert weather day. That's when we do expect the best chance of seeing some more widespread snowfall in the region, along with that strong north wind on the back end of this low pressure system as well. And that's going to be a cold north wind there as well. So of course that looks to move off on Friday, but Saturday another chance at a quick moving clipper that may bring some more snowfall here to our neck of the woods on Saturday of next weekend. So here's what we know so far with this particular system, at least a week in advance of this system. Northern plains are the target for this low pressure system, and for us looks like Wednesday and Thursday will start off as rain first before changing over to some snow. And for some folks in the region, measurable snowfall is expected come Friday, and of course that north wind will be with us on Friday. Strong north wind with us. Now here's some things that are still uncertain: the track, the temperature, the timing, the 3 T's. The track, even in the past, as I said, 3 hours, has already shifted a little bit eastward, but the exact track we will still pin down between now and Friday. So of course stay tuned for that. And temperatures of the system critical for when that changeover to snow happens, and of course how much snowfall happens with that system depending on how warm or cold the low pressure system is. So of course the snowfall amounts still a question mark, as well as the moisture content of this low pressure system as well. If more dry air comes in, we won't see as much total moisture, but if we see more moist air come in, more humid air, may see more rain and snow combined for a more moist system. So watching those things very carefully, just know you've got a week in advance, the first alert for you, that the potential is there for some wintry impacts in the region late next week. So here's how things look now. This is Grand Forks again, seeing beautiful colors now. The sun is just about to set there in Grand Forks. In Fargo, things are quiet. Air temperature 48 degrees at this hour. Now the sun has set for the most part. Southwest wind of around 7 miles per hour. The dew point at 39 degrees. So we are seeing some more humid air coming in thanks to those south winds. And with that humidity, seeing some light rain showers making their way through, mainly up toward the north. So just light rainfall, not expecting much in the way of measurable moisture from these as they make their way through. But you can see outside of Langdon, heading into portions of Pembina County, seeing some of those deeper greens and yellows, which does indicate to me some more organized rainfall in those spots. And then down toward New Rockford in Eddy County, seeing some more organized rain, as well as northern Barnes County, moving into northern Cass County this hour as well. So watching those, mainly staying up toward the north, not expecting too many impacts, but hey, have the rain jacket or maybe a poncho handy if you have some Friday night football games up in the Northern Valley. 40s and 50s for those current temperatures, but I do expect temperatures to cool down somewhat quickly off toward the south, as I do expect more clear sky off toward the south. But look at that. Most of that moisture stays up toward the north by tomorrow morning. Expecting 40s for most everybody with some 30s in the cool spots. But for Saturday, the Minnesota Deer opener, things look good. 40s to 50s there by lunchtime, eventually 50s and 60s for those high temperatures. A few passing clouds on Saturday, but really that's all we've got to contend with for the first day of deer hunting in Minnesota. Near 60 again on Sunday. Don't forget to turn those clocks back 1 hour there for Sunday before you go to bed on Saturday. But a system comes through Mike and Stacy Monday, which brings cooler temperatures, a chance of some showers on Monday as well.
I'm going to tonight's football game between Cheyenne and Shanley. I'm not wearing a poncho or a jacket. I'm wearing a parka.
A parka?
Yeah.
It'll be upper 40s, Mike. It'll be upper 40s. That's